What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. Hiro here from First Timers, and welcome to our tech series. What I have in my hand here is a dash cam for a car. The product is by a company called CHORTAU. Sorry if I butchered that name, but it is available on Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I will have the link in the description below. So yeah, let's just get to the unboxing and talk about the features of this device.
All right, here we go. Here's the camera, nicely packaged and covered. Looks like a pretty good quality camera. Buttons feel good, doesn't feel cheap or anything, it feels sturdy. There's the USB port for the power, and there's the SD card port. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like a USB plug for the computer. This would be the power into the car. Suction cup mount, in case you don't want to use the 3M mount that they have also available. It's nice that you have options. But yeah, it feels sturdy. Feels good. Here's the 3M mount that I'm probably gonna use, so I could just hard mount it to the windshield. And here are the instructions. What I was just holding right there was a pin to reset the camera in case like you wanted to set it back to default. So just quickly looking at the box here, or the side of the box, it says the features are video recording, photo mode, audio recording, loop recording, which is nice if you have a limited size SD card. It'll just loop and erase whatever is already on there. Motion detection and G sensor. If you leave it on in the car and you're not in there, if someone bumps you, it'll start recording. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, those are some of the features. I will be experimenting right now. I'm gonna go test it in the car. And I will put this up against a GoPro because normally I like to use the GoPro for recording in the car. But yeah, let's see how it does.